everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and I am so excited to be doing this video for you guys today because House of Sillage, which is such an amazing luxurious brand, sent over some new goodies for me to unbox, and I am super pumped about it because House of Sillage is such a beautiful and luxurious brand, and they sent me one of their mystery boxes to unbox, and they sent over some new lip products from their newest launch. But I don't want to hold you guys on this intro too long. I've already opened up all of the stuff. As you all can see, I'm in good spirits, so just know that you are in for a treat. Thank you so much to House of Sillage for sending over such beautiful products. As per usual, I will have a link to their website down in my description box, and I hope that you all enjoy. This packaging is just simply divine. They have a note in here. Inspiration and empowerment wrapped in the opulent beauty of the bow. So decadent. This is the box that houses the lipstick inside. Yes. I love this because it will go with any lipstick color that I put in there. And yes, I'm that person that likes to have packaging to match the lipstick. We have 6 new colors. Okay, so let me pop them open. And these also come in their own packaging. So if you don't want to get the bow packaging at first, you can always just get the lipstick and then you can use it by itself. But you all know that bow, just that bow. And then you pop the lipstick in the side that says House of Sillage on the lipstick bow, and then you'll hear a little click, and it's sturdy and it's in there, and that's how you do it. Super simple. So I zoomed you in, so let's go ahead and try all these lipsticks. So this one is a vivid pink. I really like this color. It's a lot more vivid than I thought it was going to be. They were not kidding when they said that it was going to be vivid and vibrant. It's very Barbie pink, very princess-like, super pretty undertone. It almost teeters on being a fuchsia, and that's what I like about it because I love an electric pink like this. Very smooth, very creamy, opaque, nice, sophisticated, bold pink. Next, let's try on the royal, and a royal is a prestigious figure in a monarchy. This one is a feminine floral pink. Oh, I love this color pink. Yes. It reminds me of a flower. This is the type of color that I used to wear all the time. It's like it's pink with a dash of purple, and I love that. I love this color, super pretty. Next, let's try on Monarch, the kingly and queenly sovereign figure. This color is pretty too. It's described as a berry toned pink, but it still has a little bit of pop to it, so it's not too deep in tone. Next, let's try on Royal Highness. Ooh, okay. This one is a berry toned pink. And this is the color that I think of when I think of berries. And I really like this color. It's probably going to be the one that I wear in the beginning and the end of the video, because I like the way that it looks with my entire look. I'm feeling that. But this color is super beautiful, very rich, very intense, very queenly. I love this one. Her Royal Highness. Next, let's try on the crown. The opulent hallmark of royalty that symbolizes power and authority. I love this. Ooh, this one is described as a coral blossom pink. I could wear either this one or the other one. It depends. I can't decide now. Ooh. Very beautiful, very light and royal-like color. I think this one is really pretty, and I know I will wear this a lot in the summertime. Very beautiful. And lastly, I have Royal Seduction, like royalty, whose irresistible sensuality allures everyone in their path. And this one is a deep blue-based red. That color is beautiful, but I think I'm just gonna have to go back to Royal Highness though. I just was really feeling that vibe with my eye look and my hair and the earrings. It just spoke to me. And this one is gonna live in here today. So pretty. So I am loving, loving, loving all of those lips. So now let's talk about some of the other things that they sent. And let's start off with this candle. This one is the Endless Tropics Bougie Candle. And I am so here for that. That smells so sensual. I love it. It is not the typical scent that you're going to get when you say tropic. When you say tropic, I immediately start thinking about something very fruity, nothing that's really sexy like, but this one, it smells like tropic thunder. I love that. On the side, it says, escape and explore your paradise getaway. Endless sun-soaked palm leaves drenched in tropical bliss are infused with the essence of amber, dark musk, and a hint of teak wood and peppercorn. Soy-based formula for an eco-friendly clean burn. It's the teak wood for me. That's what it is. I love, love, love teak wood. And that's what I smell the most of. That smells so good. I cannot wait to burn this. I'm gonna be that girl, that YouTuber, and burn it in the bag. And you all, that's not all that they sent. I have this right here. This is the Endless Summer Vault, and I have no clue what's in here. I've been holding it for you all, and I have not opened it. So I'm excited to see what's in here. So here's the box that it comes in. This is a mystery vault, and it has fragrance and makeup in here. So it says, evoke joyful feeling of an endless summer day, bright and energetic. Drift away in sensuality of warmth and depth with notes of sun-drenched floral blended with a perfect balance of subtle, refreshing fruitiness. This mystery vault is guaranteed to contain one 75 milliliter full-size fragrance, one bow lipstick case, and one diamond powder satin finish lipstick refill. And the total value of this is $593, but if you get it in the vault, you can pay a lesser price of $296. Okay, I'm gonna start with this right here. This is a lipstick and here is the bow. So let me open. It comes in a white box. Well, mine does, the one that is in here. So, ooh, yellow. Yes, I love this color. It's such a fun pop. And then they sent over the lipstick in the color Nights, which I love this color. Yes, yes, I love this neutral color. I actually tried this one on in my last House of Sillage bow lipstick try on video. So if you want to see swatches of this, go ahead over there. But I'm going to let this live in here. Snap it down. Oh yeah. Yes. Hello, yellow. I love the color yellow. And I feel like I don't talk about it a lot on my channel, but I do. It really makes me happy. Growing up, I had a yellow bedroom. Yes, thank you. So now for the moment that we've all been waiting for, especially me, because this one is my first cupcake. Swarovski crystal encrusted fragrance. Ah, yeah. Look at that. It's my first one, guys. I have other fragrances from them that are full size, but I don't have one like this. So I'm so excited to have this. It's so weighty. You can tell that this is super high quality. You just can tell. I'm so excited. This one is Whispers of Enlightenment. Okay. Ooh, I mean, it's just so nice, you guys. I cannot express how much I love, love, love this brand. Every little detail. On the inside here, it says Whispers of Enlightenment, House of Sillage, on the inside of the top of the fragrance. And then here's the bottom. And let me, it's just so classy. It's so nice. It's just so nice. I cannot with how nice it is. I love this so much. So much. It smells so good. This one is a perfume, of course. And it comes in this box. Y'all, the box has a little cushion up here. It has a little area. I didn't even know it did this. Okay, wait a minute. Let me put it back in its house. It's like dun, 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 dun. Yes. I am so here for this. This is the type of luxury that we all need in our life. Seriously. So this scent has top notes of rhubarb, pink pepper, bergamot, and peach and orange. And it has heart notes of rose, jasmine absolute, and black currant. And the base notes are my personal favorite, vetiver, patchouli, caramel, solar notes, and moss. So for me, this is the perfect balance of smelling kind of floral-like, but also it has something very fresh to it with the orange and the peach notes, but then it also has a splash of that green freshness that I like with the vetiver. So this is the perfect summer perfume. I am so here for this. Thank you so much for sending this over. I will now spray my entire area with this, and I'm gonna burn my candle because I need my entire space to smell like House of Sillage. Because House of Sillage gets it. They get luxury, they get me. I love how these fragrances are intense, but not super, super, super intense, but they last. Because a lot of times with fragrances, you put it on and an hour or two later you don't smell it anymore. Not with these, because all of their fragrances have at least 20 to 30% oil, and that's what's going to impact the lasting power of fragrances. So I dig this. It smells so good. Thank you so much, House of Sillage, for sending over all of these goodies. I'm so excited. I had to FaceTime my mom and show her these things. I'm excited to have these lipsticks, these bows. I'm excited to have these fragrances. I'm excited for my candle. I just am excited because I love luxury, and this is the epitome of luxury. I was excited the last time, and anything they send is just always top notch and high quality. And these lipsticks are beautiful colors, especially if you are looking for a pop of pink for the summer. And the mystery boxes, they have many different variations of them. I think that that is an amazing deal to be able to get one of these and one of these. I will have a link to House of Sillage's website down in my description box. If you all have ever purchased anything from them, let me know. They also have a discovery pack of fragrances if you are looking to purchase a particular one, or if you want to get more acquainted with their brand. I highly recommend you do so because they're just super, super nice and very luxe, as I've said several times in this video. So I look forward to seeing what you guys have to say. Let me know your experience with House of Sillage. Let me know if you've ever tried anything from them. Again, thank you so much for sending over these products, and I will talk to you guys in the comment section. I hope that you all enjoyed, and I will check you all in my next one, which will be super, super soon. Smooches. Bye.